Yeah, even though it's not in your class 9 syllabus, I am actually forced to tell you actually 3 formulas that you will learn in class 10. Okay, I'll write somewhere on the side, maybe in other question also will come across this, because even in this question I am seeing that without those formulas it's not possible to do this. But again I should tell you that it is not in your class 9 syllabus. These formulas we call it as trigonometric identities. We do it in class 10. Now what this formula is, maybe a little bit of this I told you in the very first class about that first part, which I told you I already know the answer, it is 1. So here it is. What these formulas are, I am going to write now these 3 formulas. The first formula is sin square A plus cos square A. Whenever you have sin square A plus cos square A, so same angle like 30, 30. When you are squaring and adding them, the answer for that, the value of that is always 1. You can try that. Take A. Okay, just one example I'll give you. Now let's take A as 30. But if I take 30, here also I have to take 30. If I take here 40, then here also I have to take 40. Now let's check whether this is really working or not. If I take sin square 30 plus cos square 30, then I should get 1. Now why am I taking 30? Because you know the value of 30 degrees, standard angle. Sin 30 value is half. I am squaring it. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. That also I am going to square it. Then this is 1 by 4 plus this is 3 by 4. So if you add, so you are getting 4 by 4. When you cancel it, you are getting 1. So there you are. So the question, in fact, identity. This is called identity formula. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So then for some question which we may come across like this. So please understand that when you have sin square A, both the angle must be same. It really doesn't matter 30 or 30. It can be any angle. It can be 40, 40. It can be 47, 47. It can be 70, 70. It can be standard. It can be non-standard angle also. So whenever you have sin square A plus cos square A, the value for that is always 1. So the first identity, or you can take it as a formula now, is sin square A plus cos square A is 1. First formula. And the second formula is sec square A minus tan square A is also 1. Okay, see there positive, but here it is negative. So sec and tan. Sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. And one more now. That is cosec square A minus cot square A is also equal to 1. Okay, even though not there in your class 9 syllabus, but then there might be some question here when you do in complementary angles. So we'll come across these formulas. As for now, as I can see here, I'll come across one particular formula. Okay, so that's why I wrote it for you. This you'll learn in class 10. Alright, it is saying sec square 12 degree minus cot square 78 degree. Now let's see. 12 and 78, total 90, complementary. Now as they are complementary, change one of them. Either you change this or you change this one. It's your wish what you want to change. I want to change this first one. Sec square 12, I'll write 90 minus 78, because 90 minus 78 is 12. Minus, don't change the second one. We are going to change only one as always. I have changed the first one, so don't change the second one. Then sec 90 minus theta. Sec 90 minus theta, as you know in the formula, we know it is cosec 78. But since there is a square here, it is cosec square 78. Then minus cot square 78. Now you cannot cancel them because one is cosec, the other one is cot. But both the angles are same. See, 78 degree here, here also 78 degree. Both the angles are 78 degree. And this is cosec square A minus cot square A. Both the angles are same. Okay, now see, cosec square A minus cot square A. Cosec square A minus cot square A. It really doesn't matter what the angle is. If the angles are same, and if you have cosec square and cot square with a minus, then we can write, see, cosec square A minus cot square A. What is the value? 1. So this, I'll treat it as 1. Yeah. Again, I am repeating, this is according to the formula that you see, the third formula that you saw there. Cosec square, any angle, minus cot square of that angle is always equal to 1. This is your question number 2-8. Okay, now let's see a few multiplication. Let's see question number 3. Question number 3, they are saying find the value of, it is sec 50 degree into sine 40 degree plus cos 40 degree into cosec 50 degree. Okay, 50, 40, again they are complementary, again 40, 50, they are complementary. So change one of them. As far as possible, try to make all angles the same. So let me make this 50 into 40, this 50 also I'll change it into 40, so that in some cases we can apply that formula. So let's try to change everything into a same angle. Okay, sec this 50, either you change this 50 into 40 or 40 into 50 is your wish. I am changing 50 into 40. So this 50 I'll write 90 minus 40, because 90 minus 40 is 50. So since you have changed this 50, now don't change this, the other one. So into this is sine 40 plus again what I am going to do, 40, let it be as it is. I am not going to change 40, I am going to change 50, cosec 90 minus 40, because 90 minus 40 is 50. So I can now apply the formula here. Sec 90 minus 40 is cosec 40, because 90 minus 40 sec will change to cosec. This is the same, sine 40, then this is cos 40, and cosec 90 minus 40, cosec will change to sec, so it becomes sec 40. Okay, I think very similar question we had done before also. Cosec and sine, they are reciprocal to each other. This is also 40, that is also 40. Cosec is the opposite of sine. So this cosec I'll write 1 by sine 40 into, that is already sine 40. Then plus, this is already cos 40, and you know that sec, like in case of cosec and sine, sec is also a reciprocal of cos. So then sec 40 I'll write as 1 by cos 40. So here you go then, this sine 40 and sine 40 is a multiplication and division and cancellation, so it will be 1 plus again here cos 40 and cos 40, again here also division and multiplication and cancellation, 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Yeah, like this. Yeah, let's move now on to another question. It's again, I would call it as similar to question number 1 of 3. Okay, but a little lengthy it is, so you people may face a problem, so let me do that also. Okay, so this is question number 3.3. It is 3 cos 80 degree into cosec 10 degree plus 2 cos 59 degree into cosec 31 degree. Okay. Now again here you have 80 and 10. 80 and 10, again you know that they are complementary. Change one of them. Again 59 and 31, they are also complementary. Change one of them. So you know that now. You see, if I plan cos, if I change, then it will change to sine. Sine and cosec, now they are reciprocal to each other. So almost very similar to the previous question. So yeah, let's change one. If you like, change this or this. Is your wish what you want to change. Okay, let me change this very first one. 80 I'll write 90 minus 10, because 90 minus 10 is 80 into cosec, let it be as it is, because I have changed one, means don't change this complementary. Then the other one also, out of this two, let me change the first one. 2 cos 59 I'll write 90 minus 31. 90 minus 31 is 59, and the other one is cosec 31. So now I can apply the formula at these two brackets. 3 cos 90 minus theta, cos changes to sine, so it is sine 10. This is cosec 10, and you know cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So here only let me do cosec 10 can be written as 1 by sine 10 degree, and then this is 2 cos changes to sine, this is sine 31 degree, cos is changing to sine, and cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So I can write this as 1 by sine 31 degree. So there you go. Sine 31 and sine 31 cancel, sine 10 and sine 10 cancel. So this is 3 into 1 is 3 plus 2, which is 5. Yeah, this is your question number 3. Now question number 4 has a lot of question. So I think I'll do at least maybe 2 questions for you. All are easy, by the way. I'm saying only a lot of questions, but they are all very simple to do. So let me do 2 questions for you. Let me do question number 4, 2. Which is sine 47 over cos 43, then plus this is cos 43 over sine 47 square minus 2 cos square 45 degree. Okay. 47, 43 they are complementary, change one of them. 43, 47 again complementary, change one of them. 45 not complementary, now 45 must have a pair, like how we got here complementary, but then you should understand that 45 is a standard angle. So from the table that you have learned in the last class, from the table you have to write the value of cos 45. So don't look for a pair of 45 because 45, whenever you have a 30 or a 60 or a 45 or any other angle which is standard, then you can directly put the value from the table. Okay, now I'll change one of them. Let me change the upper one. Let me write sine 90 minus 43 because 90 minus 43 is 47 and on the lower side it is cos 43. Okay, let me put a square bracket here. And there is no square here, there is a square in the second bracket, but there is no square, so I'll keep it as it is. Plus, in the second bracket also let me change one, let me change the upper one. So it is cos 90 minus 47 because 90 minus 47 is 43. Lower side I'll not change, sine 47 and the whole thing is squared. Minus 2. Now as I said, don't look for a pair of 45 complementary because 45 is standard and cos 45. Now from the table you have learned cos 45 value is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 value is 1 by root 2, but since there is a square, so there you go, square. Okay, now sine 90 minus any angle changes to cos of that angle. So cos 43 and on the lower side also you have cos 43. So cos 43 by cos 43 plus cos 90 minus any angle, cos changes to sine 47 and on the lower side also you have sine 47. Yeah, this is whole squared minus this is 2 into squaring. 1 square is 1, root 2 into root 2 is 2. So there we go, 2 and 2 is cancelled. Cos 43 and cos 43 is cancelled, so it is a division cancellation, so it is 1. Here also division cancellation, it is 1 and 1 square is also 1 plus, as this is a division cancellation, there also it is 1. Sorry, this is not plus, it is minus. So there 1 plus 1 minus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Yeah, this is 4, 2. Yeah, let me do now one more question from question number 4. In fact, I started with number 2. Now all are easy and simple. If any problem is there in any question, if you are not able to solve, then you will tell me, you will WhatsApp me. I'll solve it in the next class because I'm trying to take at least 2 classes weekly. Half I'll do now, so maybe one more question I'm going to do. So you'll do it as a homework up to here. And because if I try to feed you all 1 hour, 1.5 hour class, then I think the people will lose interest. So that's why I'll make it half off into 2 classes and I'm giving you. So till question number 4 you'll do for the next 2-3 days. You'll try up to that. Then again the remaining exercise again maybe by Monday to Tuesday. I think I am again going to upload again one more video for you, the continuation of this one. So let me do one more question for you from question number 4. And it is question number 4, it is 16. So that means there are 16 questions here in question number 4. So you have a lot of things to do, but then they are all simple and easy. Try it. Okay, so it says sec 17 degree over cosec 73 plus tan 78 over cot 22. And then plus this is cos square 44 degree plus cos square 46 degree. Okay, see, complementary, I'll change one of them, complementary, change one of them, complementary, change one of them. So maybe something will come out of it. So let me change the upper one. So sec 17, let me write 90 minus 73 because 90 minus 73 is 17. Lower side I'm not changing, I'll keep it as it is, cosec 73. Plus here, change one of them, let me change the upper one. Tan 90 minus 22, 90 minus 22 is 78 and this is cot 22. I'm not going to change the lower one. There, out of these two also change one of them. So let me change the first one. It is cos square 44, right? 90 minus 46. Now don't change the second one. It is cos square 46 degree. Then you know sec 90 minus theta. Sec will change to cosec. So this will change to cosec 73. And this is also cosec 73. Plus This is your tan. Tan will change to cot. So cot 22 degree over this one is also cot 22 degree. Then plus cos will change to sine. So this is what will be sine square 46 degree plus cos square 46 degree. So this and this is gone. So this is 1 plus even this and this is gone. This is also 1. Plus now this I can't do anything with this one, so it is 46, 46, but then see this formula, sine square A plus cos square A. Sine square A means any angle. What angle is this? Same angle should be this also. Both of these angles are 46 degree. So sine square A plus cos square A, there, the formula which you are going to learn in class 10. Sine square A plus cos square A. So these two collectively, sine square A plus cos square A, it is, so that is also 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is what is 3. So not many, very few questions I am giving. You will solve till question number 4, all questions till 4.